y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel, you guys. It is time for the empty apartment tour. I know you guys have been waiting for this, honey, so let's go ahead. Let me show y'all around. Okay, you guys, so as you move into the apartment, as you guys can see, this is just not any apartment, okay, honey? This is a loft apartment, you guys, and I am obsessed with it. We have so much counter space. So let me just go ahead and show you guys around. From the entrance, first we're gonna go through the foyer. Honey, the foyer, the entryway, whatever you wanna call it, honey, it is huge, okay? You guys, it is big. It houses the washer and dryer. Also, we have a coat closet there as well. And y'all know from our last apartment, honey, I love to decorate a good entryway, okay? So for this one to almost be the size of a bedroom, honey, yes, I am in love, y'all. Like, honestly, I can't even believe I'm standing here right now. So let's just go ahead and get into the kitchen, okay? Let me put my purse down, honey, in my new loft apartment. So y'all, we have a ton of cabinet space. 4 shelves in each one of these long ones here. We have 3 shelves in this one right here, y'all. Brand new stove, microwave. I love how long this here is, y'all. I plan on putting an island right here in the kitchen. Can't y'all see me standing here in the morning, girl? I just love it down. So let's go, you guys. So down here is gonna be the living room area. We also have a really nice, like, little closet space here where you can put like your linen and stuff like that. Although we do have a really big bathroom, and I am so excited about that. You guys, we plan on doing like a projector in here. I honestly cannot wait, you guys, to start decorating this new home, y'all. Like, it is just everything. Like, I absolutely love it. We live in the downtown area of St. Louis. So yes, honey, this is a St. Louis living video, honey, because I am so excited to be living in the downtown area, you guys. Very close to restaurants, attractions, like everything that I love to do is down here. So I'm so happy that we moved here, y'all. But yes, girl, this is the living room and the kitchen area. We plan on putting baby's desk and stuff over there, you guys. It may seem like there's a bit of an echo because this is obviously a empty apartment tour, but let's go ahead and move into the bedroom so I can show you guys exactly what it looks like. So as you guys can see, we do have a ton of we have a ton of exposed brick in our bedroom, you guys, and it is really a really nice size. I love this. It's something about a loft apartment how they don't have like any walls that go all the way up, y'all. Like, I just absolutely love that. And I love that this part right here is pretty much what separates the living room and the bedroom, you guys, but it is so big, like so much space in here. I love that down. We'll probably put our TV there and everything. So then you come in here, you guys, and this is the closet. I know it's a bit messy, but your girl has already started utilizing the closet, but this is gonna be baby's side over here for all of her things. More than enough space. Love that down. And then obviously this is gonna be my side over here, you guys, because I mean, my stuff is already right there. I love the fact that we already have lighting in the closet. Is so perfect. It's not something that I have to try to figure out, you know, what we're gonna do in here exactly. So let's go ahead and go to the bathroom. This is the new bathroom, and let me tell y'all, your girl is obsessed, okay, with just this whole setup in the bathroom. Now, I must say, I wish the lighting was a little bit darker, a little bit brighter, but honestly, I feel like a lot of times when I do my skincare routines and my morning routines and I film them, I feel like you guys can't really see me all that well because I'd be a little washed out. But yeah, you guys, so we have a ton of cabinet space in the bathroom, so we love that down. A ton of space in here. Nice size countertop, which is something that we really really wanted in our last apartment. It was so small. It was just like this part and not anything else around it. Now, although we don't plan on sitting anything else on this countertop in here, you know, we just love the fact that it offers so much more space. I do appreciate the toilet bed in its own corner. Like, that is a guaranteed plus. Love that down. And then y'all, look at how deep. Okay, the tub is, girl, and the shower is so big. We probably will change out that shower head just because you guys know we like the waterfall shower head. And then, you know, probably maybe get some jets to go in this tub as well. I absolutely love the pillar in the bathroom, you guys. There's more lighting in here. It just comes with the fan. So yeah, this is the bathroom, you guys. Nice, big, very much spacious, and your sister girl loves the closet. So yeah, y'all, this is the bedroom. And as you guys can see, honey, we have so many windows in our home. Like, it is just so amazing. It is so nice, you guys. And we'll probably end up putting the I think we're gonna get a projector. We'll probably end up putting it like in this corner right here. I feel like this is gonna be the perfect place for it. So can you just picture like the couch there, the Max Yo-Yo couch there, and our 2 Sofatica chairs here, little fireplace. And then as you come into the kitchen area, we're gonna put a nice long island. I think I want the island just about as long as from the dishwasher to the cabinet. If not, a little shorter is fine also, because it is very, very long. But yeah, y'all, that is like everything, honey, in regards to the apartment tour, you guys. The ceiling is just so nice. I absolutely love the lighting in here. I love the industrial loft look of this loft apartment, you guys, and I am just 100% in love, girl. So yes, honey.
I'm forever grateful for the no's I received when I thought I deserved the yeses, because many of those no's grounded me and made me take a look at why I wanted those yeses so bad. Sometimes what we want so bad is not constructed for the environment or our mental capability at that time, and we have to understand that when the doors are closed, the application is denied, and the opportunity isn't prevalent. It's more for our good than for our bad. In many situations, the no saved me from a stressful job. The no kept me from compounding responsibilities. The no allowed me to obtain more time with my family. The no brought me closer to people. The no helped me. Natural disasters. My baby is built around me. Kingdoms are falling. Angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Feels like soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the...
Okay, you guys, so that is going to be the end of this empty apartment tour, honey. I mean, y'all see the lighting, huh? I am just so so happy, you guys. I am so grateful. Like, my heart is so full right now. Like, my wife and I am just so proud of us for staying focused and following our heart and dream, because we both always wanted to live in a loft apartment. Let me back up a little bit. But we both always wanted to live in a loft apartment. So like, this was 100% perfect for us. Let me close these blinds up a little bit, child. Hold on, girl. Gotta get a little bit of that sun out my eyes. There we go. Whew, I hope that's better for you guys as well. But yes, you guys, I am just so happy to be in a bigger space. So happy to be in an apartment, in a loft apartment, industrial loft apartment on top of that we absolutely love. And I am just so grateful. I'm so thankful. Thanks to all of you guys who sent congratulations, wishes, that said, girl, do your thing. Girl, you motivate me to get a loft apartment. Girl, you motivate me to get my dream home. Girl, you motivate me to get my life together, because y'all have motivated me in so many ways, and I am just so appreciative to each and every last one of you guys. Like, honey, y'all see where we at? Girl, like, I am just so ecstatic, you guys. So right now, I am at the apartment, as you can see, alone, and baby is at the other apartment, getting all of our things. I told you guys that we have some movers. My brother is also a part of that as well. So yeah, y'all, she told me to just go home, make the house a home. Honey, go ahead, straighten up. I was gonna mop and all of that, but I'm actually gonna wait to do that until they come and bring all the boxes and everything. So for right now, yeah, y'all, I'm about to go ahead and get into cleaning my new loft apartment, honey, y'all. Like, I am just so happy. Babe 100% loves it. Like, babe absolutely loves the spot. She loves the space. She loves everything about it. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to come. I know you guys have been waiting. I know I told y'all, girl, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. But I told y'all February the 1st, baby, we were gonna be out with the MD apartment tour, y'all. So here it is. Yes, and I'm just so grateful. So appreciative, and y'all, I just love it with all my heart. So yeah, honey, now it is time for us to start decorating our new apartment, y'all. Shopping for the new apartment, honey. All types of home decor styling, interior design styling, just so many things. And remember, I told you guys that with this apartment, we plan on doing a completely different interior design idea. So yeah, honey, if this is your first time seeing me, if you're new to my channel, my name is Tonya Latrice. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you like my content, give this video a thumbs up. And also, you guys, if you don't hype up the video for me, baby, hype up the video for the new loft apartment, okay? Because I am in love, you guys, and I hope that you guys love it as much as I do. But if not, honey, that's fine. But anyway, y'all, until next time, I will see you guys in the next Day in My Life vlog. Love y'all. Bye.